Hello and welcome to Home Cooking Spain. Today I'm going to be making a tuna salad. So let's begin. So I've got a nice lettuce here, a couple of tomatoes, an onion and about 2 small tins of tuna, roughly. So we're going to start with cleaning some lettuce up in the sink. I'm just making this salad, it's just for the two of us, and it's going to be to accompany a Spanish omelette. So let's get this lettuce washed up. Okay, so I've rinsed this, and now I'm just going to break it up. Da-da-dun, da-dun, da-dun-dun. So let's cut this onion up. Chuck this in the bin. Get my new chopping board, stainless steel one. And now I'm going to add some onion. I'm not going to add a lot because it's only for me. But this onion will be good for my Spanish omelette. Because you can't eat Spanish omelette without onion, can you? Right. Now the tomatoes. It's just how we like them. Not red and not green. Look at that. Beautiful. So let's clean it up. Don't know if you can hear that noise. It's the fridge. It's making strange noises. I'm not going to add more. That's enough for the two of us, you know. So let's clear this up a bit. It's so easy to clean. And I nearly forgot tuna. I like buying these 1 kilo tins. They work out much better. Dun, 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 dun. I won't put a pepper in. And in a while, I'll put the olive oil and the vinegar and the salt. But not until it's nearly ready to serve, you know. Well, so lunch is about to be served. I've just finished making my Spanish omelette. I'll have therefore leftovers for tonight. So I'm going to sort this salad out. Just let me move it about a little bit. I don't want to put all the salt on top of the tuna. So get salt, to my own liking of course. Then I'll add the vinegar. Oops, that's a square one. I'll add the vinegar. I haven't used this before in a salad. It's quite new actually. So it's not vinegar. Olive oil. And we like plenty olive oil and vinegar. We like to make the salad dry. And then we'll just mix everything about. Wait, nearly. Wait. And that should be it. And here you go, a delicious tuna salad with tomato, lettuce and onion. I was going to put in some olives, but I forgot, doesn't matter. And a gorgeous Spanish omelette. So thanks for watching. Cheerio.